Hey guys, on this week's show, I am repositioning the ESS Dual Plus, and maybe that position is also good for a small battery. So let me take the body off and I'll show you what my issue is. I used to have the ESS Dual Plus installed on the rear bracket here. I don't like it there because when I am driving the TRX4 body, because of its pickup shape, it doesn't fit. So I had to place it in front here. So I'll show you my issue. It actually moves around, wiggles around. Obviously, if I put the battery in there, it is a little bit tighter, but I have found on Thingiverse a little bracket that actually mounts into the front here. It goes underneath the rock sliders and it mounts exactly above the motor. So looking at this, I'm thinking, if you have a small battery, you could actually use this as a small battery tray. So let me take everything apart, mount this quickly. The ESS Dual Plus fits perfectly into this bracket. I'm going to measure it and let's see if there's a couple of batteries out there that would actually fit into that area. Hey, what you doing over there? Come closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, first thing I'm going to be doing is taking the original bracket off. How this bracket actually works is it fits underneath the rock sliders. So you kind of place it in there and it will just pop in underneath the rock slider. So let me take the rock slider off. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is the front, and these sides go swing down and just clip underneath the rock sliders. So let me position it quickly, get the cables to the side here, and there we go. All right, need to put the rock sliders back on. So that is an absolute perfect fit. Let me just reroute this cable under the box. Place it in on this side. Let me get my battery pack quickly. So that's kind of how that would be sitting. I'm just going to put a strap around here just to strap it down like a little Velcro strap. I might have to loosen the tension quickly on this main cable. Just a little bit. Don't need to release it too much. And now we can put it back together. So that already was the installation, just jamming it in between the rock sliders, and this is the new position of the ESS Dual Plus. Now this setup is obviously a lot cleaner. The ESS Dual Plus is not a very heavy object, but I do like the position that it's over the motor and in front. At the back, I did feel it that there was a little bit of weight change. I always had to change and balance the car out again. But for you guys that are interested in would a battery pack fit into that area, so instead of having a Soundbox there, placing maybe a 1300 or 2.2 battery pack in here, we have exactly 7.9 centimeters. So a 1300 battery pack would definitely fit in here. A 2.2, a 2200, I'm not so sure, because on the internet there are a couple of differences in the sizes or in the length of the battery. But if you are not running the main battery, you could get rid of the arm, and with that you could actually take out the little wall here and run a little bit of a bigger battery. Say the 2.2 is a bit longer, that would not be a problem. But for me, I do not have a battery, so I cannot show you. This is just an idea. I am placing my ESS Dual Plus in there to keep it in its position, and when I swap bodies that it does not get in my way. So guys, that was quick and easy. If you want to search for this bracket, I will leave a link down in the description. So it's a quick and easy install. It just sandwiches underneath the rock slider and makes everything sit a little bit neater, and the car is balanced out perfectly. So guys, that's it for me this week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, we are still working on getting you guys some free tires. We've got tire giveaways coming up, so subscribe to the channel, and once we have everything sorted out with our new suppliers, we will get that competition on the road ASAP. Okay, let's see if it still sounds good. Seeing that this one speaker is in front here, but I think it should not affect the sound at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through completely until it redlines. I'm going to take it through the gears one by one, keep it on the full throttle until it hits the red line. Still sounds great. Come to fourth gear. Running up. Wait for the red line. It's got a red line soon. There we go.